Now, the Logan wall over here actually has no ring. So the way we put this on the wall is using a plate hanging device called a disc, and that's DISC. And they come in all different sizes, ranging from 1 inch to 5.5 inches. And it's a piece of fabric that has an adhesive on the back of it. And it's water activated. And depending on the size, it carries a different weight. And all the weights are listed on the back. So I already know that the 3-inch size is going to fit. What you're going to do is find the orientation that you like. So if I want it to hang this way, I'm going to need the disc to go like this. Now, what's important to know is that if you have a larger surface, the way you put your disc is really important. If you have it too low, I'm just going to take a smaller one for a second. If you put it too low and have that in the middle, this has the chance of, on the wall, going out. So it's really important that you keep it high. Keep it at 12 o'clock. So for this one, I don't need too much work to know where that is. So to activate the adhesive in the back, all you need to do is take a couple of fingers of water and spread it around. And it will rehydrate the glue. And make sure you get this part right here. This is actually really important because it keeps the most tension there when it's pulling from the wall, so make sure that has enough glue on it. And you know it's working because it'll turn kind of a milky white, and then it needs to set up for about a minute or two, and it'll get really tacky. Now, all these instructions are on the back of each one. So you can get these online at Amazon mostly, but also at a general craft store. Depending where you are, they might not have these, so online is your best bet for them. They are owned by the Flatiron Disc Company, and if you just Google disc, D-I-S-C, plate hanger, they'll pop up. There's only one. Okay, so this is getting tacky right now, and I can tell by if I just tap it, it'll pick up. So that's getting tacky. I'm going to flip it over and place it on lightly, and then find the orientation that I want, making sure that I'm lined up, and I'm going to press down. Now, these are one-time use, meaning you can take them off, but they won't work again. They also won't harm your plate when you take them off. Really push down. Again, right there is fairly important. Sometimes it'll rise up, let it wait for a couple of minutes, and push back down on it. Let it sit for about 4 hours and it's ready to hang.